iMessage. While it can be hard to find the people you want, or at least have all the social networks linked, messaging on the iPad is a much better experience. There's iMessage and a decent inbuilt email app on offer as standard, and the variety of other chat apps you can download is mind-blowing. iPad Mini 2 Review. iMessage remains a slightly confusing app in that it can pull in information on your phone number and email addresses and use these to connect to other users. However, this isn't always accurate when you're trying to share details, and can result in people trying to contact you the wrong way. It's better than it is on the iPhone, which has texting to worry about too, but it's never the most reliable system to set up in our eyes. Thankfully, the Mail app is a lot better, with a wide and expansive view that makes full use of the screen size. iOS 9 introduced some extra improvements, including the ability to write on and annotate email attachments. You get a decent column down one side to see all your missives, and a gentle swipe across enables you to move or edit the mail, or send it to the trash can. On top of that, emails are grouped together nicely when in conversation flow. Email folders are easy to use and you can have all your messages in one inbox, even with a variety of accounts being used. I also like the VIP setting, which enables you to tag only your boss and colleagues, so you know when to panic should you see a mail arriving there.